In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentage in Google Sheets. Imagine you have a simple table where each person has a $5,000 goal, and you want to see what percentage of that goal they've reached. We'll use one clear formula, format the result properly, and then copy it down the column so it applies to everyone. Start by clicking into the first empty percentage cell, which in this example is E2. This is where we'll calculate the percentage for the first row of data. Type the formula equal D2C2 and press enter. Division is the key to percentages. You're taking what was achieved and dividing it by the goal. In this setup, D2 represents the amount achieved so far, and C2 represents the $5,000 goal. When you divide the part by the whole, you get the fraction of the goal that's been completed. When you press enter, the result will likely appear as a decimal, something like 0.9. That's normal. A decimal of 0.9 simply means 90%. It's the same value, just shown in a different format. To display it the way we typically read percentages, make sure the cell is selected and click the Format as Percentage button, the one with the percent sign, in the top toolbar. Instantly, 0.9 will display as 90s. This formatting only changes how the number looks. It doesn't change the underlying value or the math. Now that the first result looks right, let's apply that same calculation to the rest of the rows. With the formatted cell still selected, move your cursor to the small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell. That's the fill handle. Click and drag it down through the remaining rows that contain data. Google Sheets automatically copies the formula and updates the row numbers for you, so each row calculates its own percentage based on its own values. This saves you from typing the formula repeatedly and helps maintain consistency across the column. Once you've dragged the fill handle to the bottom of your list, scan the column to review the outcomes. You might notice that one person exceeds 100%, which means they surpass the $5,000 goal, while another shows 55%, indicating they reached half of it. That's the power of the percentage format. It makes progress instantly understandable, and that's it. Using a simple division formula, formatting as a percentage, and the fill handle to copy your work, you can quickly calculate what percentage of a goal each person has reached in Google Sheets. This is my example, and this is how you calculate percentage in Google Sheets.